Remember those days of lip syncing to your favorite tunes and sharing your creativity with the world through TikTok? Do you feel a longing to get back to it here in India? Well, you're in luck. We're about to walk you through a simple process on how to download and use TikTok in India. Let's start with the first step. You need to download the TikTok application file, also known as an APK file. But where do you find it? It's simple. You can download it on your phone from a website called APK Pure. The URL will be attached to this video. Once you're on the page, you'll see an option to download the APK file. Click on it and your download will begin. The file is around 371.3 megabytes, so it might take a few minutes to download depending on your internet speed. Now on to step 2. After the APK file is downloaded, you need to install it. You can install it using an app called APK Installer. You can easily find this app on the Google Play Store. The link will be attached to this video. After installing the APK Installer, you can use it to install the downloaded TikTok APK file. Now, we're on to the final step. To use TikTok in India, you'll need to use a virtual private network, or VPN. This is because TikTok is currently not available in India due to regional restrictions. A VPN can help you overcome this by masking your location. There are many VPN apps available on the Play Store. Download and install one that you find reliable. Once the VPN is installed, open it and set your location to a country where TikTok is available. After setting your location, open TikTok. Voila! Now you're ready to create and share your amazing TikTok videos once again. To recap, here are the 3 steps. First, download the TikTok APK file from APK Pure. Second, install the APK file using the APK Installer app. Third, download and activate a VPN, then open TikTok. Remember, creativity knows no boundaries. Let your imagination run wild and enjoy your TikTok journey in India. Now go forth and TikTok on.